Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about the most important crystal structures. You know friends, sodium chloride structure, cesium chloride structure, hexagonal closed packed structure, diamond structure, zinc blende structure are most important crystal structures. So I will start with sodium chloride structure. I will focus on the fundamental part of sodium chloride structure. So you can see sodium chloride also crystallizes in a cubic lattice but with a different unit cell. Sodium chloride structure consists of equal number of sodium and chlorine ions placed at alternate points of a simple cubic lattice. You can see in this figure. Each ion has 6 of the other kind of ions as its nearest neighbors. Now you can see sodium and chlorine. In second, how chlorine size is big in comparison to sodium and how it is making crystal. So sodium chloride structure, if we take the sodium chloride unit cell and remove all the red chlorine ions, you can see in this figure, we are left with only the blue sodium. If we compare this with the FCC and CCP unit cell, it is clear that they are identical. Thus the sodium is in a FCC sublattice. Now sodium chloride structure. This structure can be considered as a face-centered cubic Bravais lattice with a basis consisting of sodium ions and oxygens and chlorine ions at the center of the conventional cell. So A by 2 x directions plus y direction and z directions. Lithium fluoride, sodium chloride, sodium bromide, potassium chloride, lithium iodide, etc. The lattice constants are in the order of 4 to 7 angstroms. Now friends, another crystal structure is cesium chloride structure. Cesium chloride crystallizes in a cubic lattice. The unit cell may be depicted as shown. Cesium is teal and chlorine is gold. So cesium chloride consists of equal number of cesium and chlorine ions placed at the point of body center cubic lattice, so that each ion has 8 of the other kind as its nearest neighbors. Now friend, hexagonal close packed structure. This is another structure that is commonly, particularly in metals, in addition to the 2 layers of atoms which form the base and the upper face of the hexagon. There is also an intervening layer of atoms arranged such that each of these atoms rest over a depression between 3 atoms in the base. Now hexagonal close packed structure. Brevis lattice, hexagonal lattice, helium, beryllium, magnesium, hafnium, rhenium group second elements. AB type of stacking. A is equal to B, A is equal to 120 degree and C is equal to 1.633A. Base is 0, 0, 0, 2 by 3A, 1 by 3A, 1 by 2A. You can see in this figure. So packing, close pack, sequence AB, hexagonal close pack, sequence ABC, face center cubic close pack. In another figure, you can see here sequence AAA, simple cubic, sequence AB, body centered cubic. Now friends, diamond structure. The coordination number of diamond structure is 4. The diamond lattice is not a Brevis lattice. Silicon, germanium and carbon crystallizes in diamond structure. So you can see the diamond structure in this figure, diamond crystal structure. And zinc blend. Zinc blend has equal number of zinc and sulfur ions distributed on a diamond lattice so that each has 4 of the opposite kind as nearest neighbors. This structure is an example of lattice with a basis which must be described both because of the geometrical positions of the ions and because two types of ions occurs: silver iodide, gallium arsenide, gallium tin, antimony and indium arsenide. So zinc blend is the name given to the mineral zinc sulfide. It has a cubic close packed face centered array of sulfur and zinc sit in tetrahedral sides in the lattice, half occupied. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.